Hi, I'm Stan Cook of Drone Shots. Today I'm going to show you what it's like to do a short real estate job which involves some ground level photos, some higher photos, and a panel series. Stick around, see what we got. This is the house, a one-family home on a slight hill. Okay, so let's get going. Here's a case that I won from the Sean Oz channel. Thank you, Sean. Appreciate that. And what I'm using it for is for my Mavic Pro Platinum. Let me put things all together and let's get flying. Okay, so we're airborne. Now, we have a set of shots that we have to make for this home. The first set is 3 shots. 1 shot from the center of the house, 1 shot to the right, 1 shot to the left at approximately roof level. Then we'll do a shot from the front of the house at 100 feet and a set of panorama vision shots right above the house, which will total 50 shots. Let's do the first 3 first. Okay, now we're going to climb up to 100 feet right in front of the home, look down, and take a shot from there. Now that that's done, we move over right above the house, look straight down, and set up for panorama shots. This will be 50 shots taken from horizon all the way down, looking straight to the home, which will later be sewn together. So that's it. We're all done. Time to land the drone, pack it back in the bag, and hit the road. Complete job takes about 10 minutes. Gotta remember to check the shots to make sure I got everything I need. Okay, thanks for watching this short real estate photo job. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back and check with us again sometime. Thanks for watching.